Liz, and I have a design Instagram account at Desert Decor. I design a home decor store here locally, and then in addition to that, I teach a fitness class. So our home, when we moved here to Phoenix, we had just a couple of days to find our location. Went through tons of homes, tons of different areas in the Phoenix area, and this one, when we pulled in, it was the one. We just love our desert location, and we've been here about 10 years now, and I think we're here to stay for a while. So my heart kind of lies in Instagram, and so I wanted to be sure all of my inspiration came from Instagram. I know a lot of people go to magazines or Pinterest. For me, I feel like through searching hashtags, you can find everything you want. So when we were looking at sinks, we put in sink in a hashtag. Sinkology came up. When we wanted to look at backsplash tile and what we wanted, herringbone versus classic, we just went to the hashtag search. So a lot of people go to different sources. For us, most of our inspiration and what we wanted came just from Instagram. So when we were deciding on what kind of farmhouse sink would work best for our home, I really lended my opinion to be swayed by Sarah at Little Vintage Nest. And I'll tell you why, is she got the Sinkology farmhouse sink. I loved it in her home. I thought it was so beautiful. She did a beautiful detailed write-up blog post, and it was all the facts and information you could ever want about fireclay sinks. So before we had any materials for our kitchen, the very first material we had was our fireclay farmhouse sink from Sinkology. So everything had to work around it. Our cabinet measurements, accent marble, they did a fantastic job making sure that their template was just right to fit over top of the sink. We even put little decorative furniture legs under the sink to really highlight the sink area. And yeah, so that was definitely the heart of our kitchen. It was the first thing we started with in our kitchen design. So if someone asked if I would recommend the fireclay Sinkology farmhouse sink, the answer is yes. We've been so happy with it, and in comparison to other competitors, I feel like this is top notch.